In this video, we are going to see about subqueries in Oracle database. So, under this subqueries, we are going to see a lot of problems. So, before going to this problem, first of all, we need to know what is meant by subquery. So, subquery is a query that is nested inside a select, insert, update, or delete. So, that is subquery. The term word you can understand that as subquery. So, subquery. So, that is the nested form. That is a query is a statement. A subquery is which is nested into the query. That is inside in the form of like in select, insert, update, or delete statement, or inside another subquery. It can be nested in another subquery also. A subquery can be used anywhere an expression is allowed. So it can be a subquery in the form of expression. It can be nested in the query. So now let us see this subquery. The problems which have been using we can be perform using the tables, and we can perform searches or such operations using this subquery. So first of all, the first problem is to list the name of the customer having maximum deposit, that is using in operator. So maximum deposit, so select that is customer name. So customer name from deposit table where amount, that is this were the one query, and inside the bracket this is the subquery. So here select max amount. So this is the subquery from deposit table. So that is select this was the one type one query. See here this select see the select customer name from a deposit. So we need to select a customer name from the deposit table where amount in the amount should be in. It will stop here and it will get execute. First it will get execute the subquery first here, then only, because if we execute the subquery, we can get the result from the subquery. So by using that result we can perform this query, and we can give the result. So see here, first we need a first it will need a customer from a deposit whose amount should be in, that is what amount, the select max amount. So maximum amount from the deposit, so it will return some for example, if you take 10,000, so the maximum amount is 10,000 means, so it will result the result is 10,000. So it will take select, that is customer name from deposit whose amount is 10,000. So it will take in that meaning. So whose amount, if it is amount is 10,000, it will be print the customer name. Here simply they, I have taken simply a 10,000 as an example. Here it is Narayan. So in this table, which is maximum amount, the maximum amount who the customer who has been deposited, their name will be displayed. So this is the this is the subquery. So now let us quickly go through the next problem. List the name of the customer having deposit in customer living in Nagpur. So the customer should live in Nagpur. So select the customer name from the customer table where city in Nagpur, and the customer name in the select the deposit where amount is greater than 0. So amount is greater than 0, so C name it will be print, and the C name in, so it will be print no, there is no one is there, so no one is selected. Give the name of the customer in Carolbach branch having more deposit than any other customer in Virar branch, that is any operator it should be used. Select customer name from deposit where B name equal to Carolbach and amount is greater than any, that is any, the subquery is select amount from deposit where B name is equal to Virar. So the amount will be, it will be the result here. The amount is, if any amount, it will be written here. So there is no one is, so no result will be provided. List all the depositors living in city Nagpur. So Nagpur, select a customer where city equal to Nagpur, and select customer name in, select C name deposit where amount is greater than 0. So amount will be greater than 0 means there is no one is there. So list the branch cities of Anil and Sunil. So in operator, so Anil and Sunil city, we need to be select all from branch where B name in, the branch should be select B name from deposit where C name equal to Anil or Anil or Sunil. So Anil or Sunil branch if it is there, so it will be get, so that branch name is VRCE and VRCE. So next, list all the cities who where branches of Anil and Sunil are located. So Anil or Sunil branch were located. So same, select city from branch where B name in, select B name from deposit where C name equal to Anil or Sunil. So the branch is city is Nagpur. Give the loan number, loan amount of borrower having same branch as that of depositor Sunil. So Sunil's branch loan, we need to give the loan number or amount from borrow where B name in, B name from deposit where C name equal to. So Sunil's B branch name who are there, they will be displayed. So no one is there. So it is no one rows selected. Give the name of the borrower having loan amount greater than the loan amount of Anil. So Anil's loan amount greater than. So C name from borrow where amount is greater than all. Select amount from borrow where C name equal to Anil. So Anil's amount whether it is greater than Anil's amount. So that is Anil's, Mehul, Sunil, Pramod, Kranti. They are the customers whose loan amount is greater than Anil. So next, list the name of the customer whose deposit amount greater than 1000 and loan amount is less than 10,000. So deposit amount is 1000 and loan amount is less than 10,000. So in operator, select C name from deposit where amount is greater than 100,000 and C name in, select C name from borrow where C amount is less than 10,000. So it will be Anil, Mehul, Sunil and Kranti. So next, list all the depositor having deposit, all the depositor having a deposit in all branches where Sunil is having an account. So of all branches where Sunil is select all from deposit where B name in, select B name from deposit where C name equal to Sunil. So that is branch name. So branch name, there is no one is there. List all the customer living in city Nagpur and having branch city Bombay or Delhi. So that is city, select C name from customer, your customer table where city equal to Nagpur and C name in, select C name from depositor where B name in, select B name from branch where city equal to Bombay or Delhi. So this is the nested. There are two subqueries here. This is the one subquery and this was the another subquery. So it will get fetch the result from the second subquery. Then it will provide a result for first subquery. Then after getting the first subquery result, it will be provide this result for the this the main query. So there are no persons were there. So now display the details of the customer whose deposit amount is greater than sum of their borrowed amount. So select all from deposit where amount is greater than, select sum amount from borrow where deposit dot C name equal to borrow dot C name. So there are no Anil, Sunil and Kranti were there. So display the customer details whose branch and living city are the same. So branch and city or same. So select D dot C name and account name, borrow name, branch name, amount, date, city from deposit, join, customer C name, D name, customers C. That is C is customers table and D is deposit table. Where D dot C name depositor's name were equal to customer's name. So where D name dot where D depositors B name in, select B name from B branch where B city equal to C city. So it will get the result and from this and it will be provided result. So there are no persons were there. So these were the problems we have been solved using this subqueries in Oracle database. Thank you.